this model question is a two-statement question regarding Indian geography. The first statement, the longest west-flowing peninsular river is Godavari, right? And the second statement, the Himalayas comprise three almost parallel ranges interspersed with large plateaus and valleys. Now, in the case of the first statement, right, the longest west-flowing peninsular river. So, it's specified as west-flowing as well as peninsular river, right? And it's given as Godavari. Now, let's look at it. Like if you look at the west flowing river, we are having major two rivers which are Narmada as well as Tapi, and among them Narmada is the longest west flowing river. And if you look at the entire peninsular river, right, and the longest river in the entire peninsular river is actually Godavari. But since in the statement it's specified as west flowing peninsular river, the answer should be Narmada instead of Godavari as given in this statement. So the first one is wrong, right? The first statement is wrong. Now let's take a look at the second statement. The Himalayas is having three parallel ranges. Mainly the Himalayas are having three parallel ranges which are called as the outer Himalayas or Shivalik, right? Towards the southernmost regions of the Himalayan ranges. We are having the Shivalik range. It's also called as the outer Himalayan ranges. Outer Himalayas. Then comes the lesser or middle Himalayas, which is the Perpanjal range as well as the Dauladhar range, right? The Dauladhar range is not given in this particular picture. Anyway, the Perpanjal range and the Dauladhar range is also called as the lesser or the middle Himalayas, right? This is another parallel range which can be found over the Himalayan regions. And the next one is the Great Himalayas or the Himadri Himalayas, which is given over here and it is stretching towards these regions, right? So these are the three almost parallel ranges in the Himalayas, like the Great Himalayas, the lesser Himalayas, as well as the outer Himalayas. And north of this Great Himalayas, right, we are having Trans Himalayas. Like there are different ranges in this Trans Himalayas, starting with the Karakoram range, Ladakh range, Saskar range, and towards somewhere here we are having the Kailash range, right. These four ranges together is called as Trans Himalayas, right. They are not generally seen as almost parallel ranges. Rather than we are having the three parallel ranges which are called as the Great Himalayas, the Lesser Himalayas, and the Shivalik range. Okay, so the Himalayas are having three parallel ranges. Plus, it's also having valleys as well as plateaus, right? For example, we can consider the valley of Kashmir itself, plus the Ladakh range, right? The Ladakh region, they are actually plateaus. In the sense, plateaus means they are elevated land with a generally flat top, right? So these Ladakh ranges are plateaus, and same way in the Himalayan ranges, we are having valleys as well as plateaus. Okay. So the second statement given in the question, the Himalayas comprise three almost parallel ranges interspersed with large plateaus and valleys. This is the correct statement. So the answer here should come out as B, which is too early, since the first one, the longest west flowing peninsular river is Narmada instead of Godavari, right? So here the answer should come out as B, which is too early.